susunod na tatanong dyan mamaya is, why are you running again? No, so there are many reasons and many factors. Number one is, I think, the bill that I filed before that has not been acted upon should be pushed through. And that is the right sizing of government. 60+% of the budget of government every year, more than 6 trillion, goes to personal services. And a big chunk also of the 40% left goes to debt servicing. So almost nothing is left to be given, distributed to our people. So right sizing the government really is a very important thing that we should do. And then I would I would again push for a law that will outlaw fake news, fake contents also. And then the 14-month pay law that I proposed before was not acted upon. And then perhaps the hybrid elections, di ba? Yeah. Thank you very much. Marami pa siguro iba, pero our time is limited.
Thank you po.
Mas magaang kargahin ng apo kaysa pasanin ng mundo. Mas maginhawa na humilata sa kama kaysa bumangon ng maaga at pumasok sa opisina. Mas masarap manood ng Netflix kaysa magbusisi ng national budget. Upon the other hand, I also kept asking myself these questions. Do I feel better doing things for myself instead of helping others? Now, I have the answers. I just filed my certificate of candidacy. Should I be given again the mandate to return to the Senate, I do not have to reinvent myself. I pledge to continue not availing of the pork barrel allocations in any shape or form. I will continue being a vanguard, if you will, of the annual national budget to the best of my ability. I will help President Bongbong Marcos pursue his administration's programs to benefit the majority of the Filipino people in alignment with his SONA message last year and in cadence with my personal credo, ang tama ay paglaban, ang mali ay labanan. What is right must be kept right. What is wrong must be set right. Thank you.
Sir, kung sakali makabalik po kayo ng Senado, bibigyan din po ba ninyo ng pagkakataon or pananatilihin yung parliamentary courtesy sa budget po ng Office of the Vice President?
Alam mo, yung time-honored tradition ito eh. Pag Office of the President, dinatna namin ito at na-observe namin. Office of the Vice President, even the judiciary, no, out of respect do sa Chief Justice ng Supreme Court, out of deference to the time-honored tradition, talagang open pagkatapos may magmo-motion na i-recommenda na sa plenaryo. But then that's a tradition. Ano? Hindi naman ito binding sa mga miyembro na gusto magtanong ng mga clarificatory issues. Ano? Na gusto nilang tanungin sa head ng agency, whether it's the Office of the President, being represented by the Executive Secretary, kasi hindi naman nag-a-appear ang Presidente sa budget deliberations. Office of the Vice President at saka yung Judiciary. Hindi naman pwedeng pigilan na dahil merong tradisyon, sundin lagi yung tradisyon. Kung meron talagang gusto clarify, matweet niya yon, right niya yon para magtanong ng mga dapat niyang i-clarify sa kinaukulang ahensya o opisina.
Or granted na pagbigyan kayo ng taong bayan at makabalik kayo sa Senate. At sabi nyo nga po, yung Senate presidency ay hindi naman inilalako dahil inilalapit po yan. If ever ilapit sa inyo, halimbawa, SP Soto, tatanggapin nyo po ba? Kay Senping naman, ano pong committee usually yung gusto ninyo? Usually po kasi after election, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin, yung committee. Babalik po ba kayo sa accounts para ayusin yung naging controversial na new Senate building? Thank you, sir.
Well, if my colleagues, would-be colleagues, if I'm back in the Senate, think that I could lead it well, who am I to say no? The important thing is that you serve at the pleasure of your colleagues.
Sa akin, I think it's too early to assume o magrekomenda para sa sarili ko kung ano yung committee kasi lahat ng chairmanships ng committee sa Senado, pinagbobotohan yan. Iyan naaayon sa mayorya. Kung ibigay sa amin yung mga LATO committees, gagawin pa rin namin yung trabaho. Tulad ng aking first term, ang nabigay sa akin isang LATA committee, yung Committee on Civil Service and Government Reorganization. Marami rin ako na ipasang batas doon. So depende yan sa senador, sa mambabatas, kung paano ko magtatrabaho, regardless of which committee or committees ang i-assign sa'yo.